Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your emo app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on security and privacy, click on it here, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on profile privacy, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on who can see my avatar, click on it, then you come here to prevent avatar falses here, view, click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.